May nakamo sa diiriga.
May napong kamo sa diiriga.
May nakamo sa diiriga.
May nakamo sa diiriga.
May nakamo sa diiriga.
Golden morning and marahin aldaw kanino namin. This is Ron, your marketing and host for today's episode of Park Diaries. Tara at samahan niyo ko as we explore and discover one of the most beautiful city of Camarines Sur. This city is known for its crystal clear spring in the city of character, Iriga City. Bukod sa mayamang kasaysayan at kultura, kilala rin ang Iriga sa napakagandang tanawin nito, mga religious landmarks, at syempre sa mainit na pagtanggap ng mga Irigenyo. So tara na at simulan na natin ang adventure ngayong araw. For our first destination, narito tayo sa Parokya E. Sanctuario, Archdiocesan de San Antonio de Padua o mas kilala rin as the St. Anthony of Padua Parish Church. The St. Anthony of Padua Parish Church was originally established way back 1585. Unfortunately, nasira ito dahil ng sunog. Ang pangalawang simbahan ay tinayo pero napinsala din ito ng malalakas na bagyo at kalaunan ay nasunog din. Pagkatapos ito, ang ikatlong simbahan ay tinayo noong 1727 pero kalaunan ay nasunog din ito noong 1841. Despite all these challenges, nanatiling matatag ang pananampalataya ng mga tao rito, making this church a symbol of faith, resilience, and devotion. Tara kain! Fun fact, the Nava Festival is celebrated annually on February 11. It is a reenactment of a pagan ritual to offer the best produce of the land. Nagdiriwang ito bilang pasasalamat sa magandang ani buong taon at panalangin na rin para sa mga susunod pang biyaya. In every city, Rizal Park stands proudly honoring the legacy that shaped our freedom. This Plaza Rizal is the cultural and civic heart of the city. As a central public space, it was established to honor the Philippine national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. This place historically served as a focal point for public debates, community gatherings, civic milestones, and festivals. Welcome to Ilian Hill, ang Little Hollywood ng Iriga City. Nabuo ang Ilian Hill noong pagsabog ng Mount Asog noong 1642. Bukod sa tanaw ang napakagandang view ng Iriga, ito rin ang jump-off point ng mga umaakyat sa bundok. And for our next stop, Inorogan Chapel. Ayon sa isang local legend, 3 alternative ang nakatagpo ng imaheng Birhen Maria na hawak ang katawan ng Jesucristo. Makikita niyo rito ang napakahabang hagdan patungo sa Inorogan Chapel with a total of 163 steps. Kaya tara, akyatin na natin. At pagdating dito sa itaas, you'll be rewarded with a stunning overlooking view ng Iriga at karatig bayan nito. Itinayo ang Inorogan Chapel noong April 1986 ng isang local philanthropist na si Pedro Sanchez. Maraming pilgrims at visitors ang umakyat dito tuwing Holy Week bilang bahagi ng kanilang spiritual journey at self-reflection. 100 metro mula sa likod ng Inorogan Chapel, makikita ang buhay na bato. Dito pinaniniwala ang lumuhod si Birhen Maria. Malaki ang paniniwala ng mga tao rito na ang batong ito ay patuloy ang paglaki. And for our last destination, narito tayo sa most prestigious memorial park dito sa Iriga, ang Golden Haven Memorial Park, Iriga City. Located at Zone 6, Talisay Street, Barangay Santo Domingo, Iriga City, katapat lang ng Nuestra Señora de las Angustias Parish. The theme of Golden Haven, Iriga is Jardín Serena, which means Garden of the South, with its striking resemblances to the streets of Granada, Spain. It has a land area of 5.3 hectares na matatagpuan sa paanan ng Mount Asog. Golden Haven Memorial Park, Iriga City offers a variety of inventories. We have lawn lot, garden oasis, family patio, family estate, and garden plaza. And that's it for today's episode of Park Diaries. This is Ron, your marketing officer of Golden Haven, Iriga. Ingat sana po kita per me and see you again in the next episode. Bye-bye!